Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, YouTube. How are we doing today? I hope well. We're back with what I'm hoping to be close to the end of Resident Evil. But we'll see. Let's go. Okay. So. I feel like we saved. I'm gonna just check. I mean, it wouldn't actually tell me. It's fine. Let's hope we saved. Okay. And we're going this way. I love this Indiana Jones sequence we've had here where we've like had to dodge boulders. This was very funny. Oh dear sweet Jesus. This is just sure. Just press the button.
Jill.
Barry?
Barry?
Thank God you're safe.
You too, Jill. A noise I heard brought me down here, but I didn't expect to find a place like this.
Yeah, so those were definitely Wesker's boots that
Have an idea as to what might be
shot
at the bottom?
Enrico.
There's only one way to find out.
Don't make me go down there with him. Oh. Am I gonna have to protect Barry's ass? Oh, Lord.
What the hell is that sound?
Barry, have you not been paying attention this entire fucking time?
Jill, go check it out.
Barry,
Enough surprise
you have the
for
bigger
one day.
gun. You
I'll
go
stay
check
here
it
and
out.
secure our escape route in case something happens.
Okay.
Fucking coward. Okay. Like, he's got the bigger gun. Why the fuck do I have to go check it out? Uh. So. God, okay. Hmm. Okay. Don't understand. Okay. General sense of unease has washed over me. That's something. No, it's just a light. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's you. Door is locked. Some kind of mechanical hook. The hook is stuck inside the hole. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Woo! Hello, ma'am. I don't know. This just... feels like what we need to do. Okay. Stuff in here. I don't think I've ever seen that phrase used, like, in a video game. The boxes are labeled chemicals. You don't need to dink around with this anymore. It says there's more shit in here. Okay. Ma'am? It's stuck inside the hole. I have no clue. Maybe it's in with Barry? Barry, you asshole. Fuck you, bud. Barry, go fix that door. That's all you're good for. Fixing doors and leaving me bullets. What's in the box? Okay, but I want to fix it. Can I combine it with the broken shotgun? Still more things in here. See, that's the thing. This is also RE1, so who knows? We're just gonna check. Okay, I didn't think so. But okay. The muzzle is broken. It can't be fired. Okay. The only thing I really have that I can think of that might do something, but it seems like far-fetched to all fuck, is where are you, asshole? Is in here with our lady friend is the thing on the wall that's like, it's got a hook. It's jammed in there. Oh, hello. Oh. Pull the lever, Crunk. Woohoo. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. Ma'am. Oh, what? Hey, what happened? Why? She pulled the lever back? Very rude of her. I'm trying. Okay. So, where does the broken shotgun go? Yes, please tell me the broken shotgun, Laura. I am going insane. I am losing my mind. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. So if I had the broken shotgun in that room, I could have replaced it with where the shotgun was and not have been squished. Yes? Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. That. Okay. I am okay. Oh. Oh, what in the high holy fuck? Oh, yeah, that is... Okay. I'm okay. That is something. Oh, no, thank you. No, I actually appreciate that, because I would have been like, okay, what the fuck was with the broken shotgun? But as soon as we get through that, I was like, okay, is it for this? No. The flamethrower. So what was, I think that was exactly the words that came out of my mouth was, what was supposed to happen with the broken shotgun? Because my brain went, no, you were supposed to use that for something far earlier. Oh, geez. I'm gonna have to go and I'm gonna have to make a freaking compilation of that. That's funny. Okay. The desk is cluttered with old, beat-up dolls and used candles. Not a fan of whatever's in there, but I guess we're going. Ah, snakes. Somebody's been living here. We'll take the dagger. I didn't even see that. I was just like looking at stuff and being like, okay. A bunch of photographs featuring a young girl, depicting various scenes of her upbringing. Going up. grab this. I'm hoping that the only thing that needs to be in here, grabbed in here, is that, thing. More stuff in there? Okay, we'll go back down. I know where I am. I know where I am. Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes? Okay. Okay. I feel like I need to go clear out some inventory space, frankly, because, like, I got 3 rooms here. Well, it's more of I have no inventory space, so I gotta go to my item box and at least put the broken shotgun away. Hello. I think this is the right way. Might not be. It is not. I will need to come back here too, but... Oh, again, especially at this point in time, I feel like we are at endgame, so I don't mind being like, hey, you know, this might be a good quality of life for you. Oh, shit. Hello, ma'am. Rude. So we have space now. Yeah, but we also don't need the broken shotgun. We can get more space, Field. More space. Okay. Since I know where we're coming out, I'm good with putting that away. So, the stone ring's in that room, isn't it? Ooh. Do. Thing this entire little bit has been about. Okay. Past the snakes. Thank you. You'll be fast. This looks like family photo. The mother and daughter seems to be pretty close. Ah. Da-na-na-na. I'm very good at not seeing things twice, Field. We know this. No, I appreciate that. A family picture and notes. There's something written on the back. November 10th, 1967. Progenitor virus administered. Jessica administered virus type A. Plasmolizing the tissue during cell activation. Virus fusion negative. Action disposed. Lisa administered virus type B. Plasmolizing the tissue during cell activation. Virus fusion positive, but delayed fusion. Body modification, observe constant results. Status, continue protective observation. George, action terminated. It's a journal left by someone. November 14th, 1967. I feel dizzy after the shot they gave me. I don't see Mom. Where did they take her? She promised that we would escape together. Did she escape alone and leave me behind? November 15th, 1967. I found Mom. We ate together. I was very happy. But she was a fake. Not my real mom. Same face, but different inside. I have to find Mom. I have to give face back to Mother. I got Mom's face back. No one can have my mom except me. I want to attach her face to me so she doesn't go away. Because Mom's sad when I meet her without face. November 17th, 1907. From inside box, scent of mommy. Maybe true Mother there. Stone box hard. It hurt. Steel rope in the way. Can't see Mother because 4 stones. Okay then. Okay then. I'm gonna grab this. This room is clean. There's a ladder here. Climb up. Okay, I want to put the shit in this box. I want to put these 2 things together. Not so good, yo. I'm happy to hear it. Okay, now. We got a couple places we gotta go. I gotta figure out what's in those 2 rooms. And then we can continue on. Then we can continue on. But I understand where the lady went then. 'Cause I didn't kill her. I just left the cabin and then I came back and she wasn't there. She just went down this hole. She's been hanging out. Ah, no, we're fine. It's fine. We just got a looper. I'm more worried about the snakes than anything else. See? We just gotta know where she is. I've got some health on me. It's just perfect. Now, what is in this room? What is in this room? Legit, I don't know what to do because this room says it has something. See nothing. Like, I don't see any sparklies. I don't see anything on the walls. I just see this that's like, you don't need to dink around with that anymore. And I'll be like, okay. I was just hoping like maybe it was some more Magnum bullets. But maybe not. And then we'll go back to where the item box is and check that out. And then we're going to continue on. And then we'll save and we'll be like, okay, okay. Woohoo. It's that little turn off that I, for some reason, just forget about every time. I have one thought when it comes to what this might be, is maybe there's something on that, like, shared platform between the two rooms. Nope. And there's like nothing here either, so no clue. Okay, well, that I'm checking for streamer blindness, and I'm not seeing... Pile of sandbags. There's no way back. Barry Y. He's an asshole, dear. Okay, well. We're gonna save. The first room with the elevator when you come down into basement 1, and then the room where you can send the item that had the box that had the broken flamethrower in it over. No, you don't. Courtyard, basement 1. Oh, that's actually really cool. Okay, how did Lisa climb the ladder with her hands done the way they are? Saying. I have questions. Actually, we're gonna grab that. We're gonna go get our save tape. 'Cause that's the right word. Save tape. Game, please. There it is. Yep, just 1 second. Actually, 1 second. It will be... Oh, courtyard basement 2, not 1. That's my mistake. Because if it is Magnum bullets, I want them. I highly doubt it is. Probably just lore. I don't know where it could be lore, though. I looked pretty hard. There's a handgun ammo. And the battery, like a battery pack? Or... the item box. Okay, well, that's at least something. Okay, battery pack. Okay, okay. I was like, more of, is this a battery that I'm gonna need to power something, or is this just a stun a zombie thing? Okay. Now we're gonna save. Hey, are you done work? Question mark? What in the heckin' heck? 500 biddies and my sound alert didn't go off. Why? Why did you not go off? I have a different sound alert for 500. Okay, but thank you for the 500 biddies, Field. I really appreciate it. Huh. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, I don't, maybe. I feel like that shouldn't be it. But maybe. That seems weird. Either or. We're gonna go put that away. I don't know. I have a few different things for like bits, and I gotta figure out if they all work together or find a way to make them all work together. I still haven't figured out how to get into that room. That one vexes me. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go into the house now. Stone and metal object. Where is the other stone and metal object? Oh, I know where it is. I was like, game. Okay. It's so weird how the game guides for this game work out, and I appreciate you guys being so helpful, because I know I wouldn't be able to find half of the stuff I need without like some intense spoilers. So y'all have been so amazing. Yeah, hi friend. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Some of these are like a leisurely October stroll. If you take out the zombies. You know. Barry, I'm gonna shoot you when I see you next. You left me down there, sir. Yes. Okay. There we go. Wait. Okay. Blink, blink. Glad I saved. Glad I saved. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yeah. This way. My lord. My brain is starting to have, like, malfunctions at these controls. Oh my gosh. Okay. Leave. Billy. That can be your name. Your name can be Billy. Over there. And we are gonna go a different way. Gonna go a different way. I feel like the entire mansion is filled with lizard men now, but it's fine. It's fine. I was so intent on murdering Barry. I didn't think about the fact that lizard men. Okay. So, instead of going through the death hallway, we're gonna go through Frank's death hallway. Surely that will be better. Surely. Right? I hate that it's silence and just my footsteps. Yeah, he's dead. This is what it is. What is that for? What in the high holy fuck is that for? What in the high holy fuck is that for? Yeah, Frank has been guarding it very fucking diligently. Trying to think of, like, I gotta go drop some shit off. I think the best way is to go... What is it? What is it? Tell me what it's for. Because at this point in time, I'm sure I've already bypassed what it was for. There's so many things in this game that I'm just like, that's dumb as shit, but it tracks. Second floor mantle. Huh. Whatever. I don't even know what that could be. I'm trying to think. Oh, the fireplace. Oh, okay. That's something, I guess. Whatever. Okay, sure. So we know everything that is red is just health. Okay. Let's go put these things in. So Jill is 100% a badass because we've cleared most of this fucking place with no help from Barry or Chris. Where is Chris? What is implied is happening to the other person when you're like doing the one and the other? What indeed? Okay, I guess we're gonna find out. Open the door! Chris is probably hitting the gym, probably. Ah. Okay. This feels like a big fight coming up. We're gonna go get some stuff. God, George, you absolutely 100% deserve the death in that little hole you got for all of the weird doors that you have put into this weird space. Okay. Put that away. I hate this. I hate this hallway too, because there's a lizard dude popped in through one of the windows. I popped one of them. Well, two of them popped in through one of the windows. Then I popped one of them. And then the other one, I ran out of the room before I could kill him. But I can hear him making his little clickety predator sounds every time I go into that fucking hallway. But I've been all over that. Well, I haven't been all over that hallway. There's one way I haven't gone, and I don't want to go because I feel like that's where the fucker is standing. But if you are watching on YouTube, please remember, like, comment, subscribe. Love hearing from you guys. Love knowing what I'm doing wrong, because I know I'm doing a lot wrong in this. There has been so much wrong. But we will see you guys soon. I hope you come back for what I'm thinking is going to be the final fight.